Hello students, my name is Manika and today I am going to teach you chapter 11 area and perimeter of class 7. This is part 3. If you want part 2, it is in the description box or in the suggestion icon also. So please go and check from there. Now here are some formulas. Area of circle is pi r square. Circumference of circle 2 pi r. Circumference of semicircle pi r. Pi r, where r is the radius and value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14. Clear? So let's proceed to question. Let's see our first question. Find the area and circumference with the following radius. Here radius is 14 centimeter and here radius is 21 millimeter. So first of all we have to find area of circle. What is area of circle? Pi r square. Here pi we have to take 22/7. Radius is 14 into 14. 22 into 28, that is 616 centimeter square is the radius. This is the area of circle. Now come to circumference of circle. Circumference of circle. What is circumference of circle? 2 pi r. Pi की value 22/7. What is radius? 14. (88 centimeter square is the circumference. 88 centimeter is the circumference of circle and 616 centimeter square is the area of circle. Now let's do our second part. Area of circle is pi r square. Here pi is 22/7. Radius is 21 into 21. It's 3. (1380 mm) square is the area of circle. Now, what is circumference of circle? Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Pi is 22/7. These are very easy questions. Radius is 21. It's 132 mm is the circumference of circle. Now let's proceed to next. So here is our next question. If the circumference of circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. What is given to us? Circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is given to us. That is 154 meter. Clear? And we have to find the radius. We have to find the radius and the area. So, from the formula of circumference of circle, we can find out the radius. Is equals to 2 pi r. Circumference of circle is equals to 2 pi r. 22/7 into r. And what is a circumference of circle? 154. So 154 divided by 154 multiplied by 7 is equals to 44 into r, that is 44 r. तो ये 1078 आएगा इज इक्वल्स टू 44 r. सो 44 LHS पे चला जाएगा. सो डिवाइडेड बाय 44 इज इक्वल्स टू r. दैट इज 24.5 इज इक्वल्स टू r. दैट मीन्स रेडियस. सो हेयर रेडियस कम्स आउट 24.5. नाउ what we have to find next? We have to find the area of the sheet. We have to find the area of the sheet. sheet, and sheet is in which shape? Sheet is in circular shape, that is, the sheet is in circle. So area of circle we have to find in this question. So what is area of circle? Pi r square, where pi is equals to 22/7. Radius, we found out that the radius is 24.5. So 24.5 multiplied by 24.5 upon 10 upon 10. Now what we have to do is 18864. This is the answer for the question. So here's our third question. Find the perimeter of the semicircle including its diameter. So this is the figure. We have to find out the perimeter of semicircle. Diameter is equals to 10 centimeter here, and radius is equals to 10/2, that is 5 centimeter. Now we have to find first of all circumference of semicircle, that is pi r. 22/7 multiplied by 5. Pi की value and radius is 5. Is equals to 15.7 centimeter is the circumference of semicircle. Now perimeter of semicircle, how we have to find the perimeter of semicircle? We have to find the perimeter of semicircle, circumference of semicircle, that is this, plus diameter of semicircle, that is this. How we have to find out the perimeter of semicircle? By adding circumference of semicircle and diameter of the semicircle. So we got here 25.7 centimeter. Let's proceed to next. So let's see our fourth question. Find the diameter of the circle if the area of circle is 154 meters square. Now we have to find out the diameter. हमें अगर डायमीटर निकालना है तो फिर हमें सबसे पहले रेडियस चाहिए होगा. सो एरिया ऑफ सर्कल is equals to 154 meter square. It is given here. So area of circle is equals to 154 centimeter square. So what is the formula of area of circle? Pi r square. Area of circle is 154. Pi is 22/7. Radius we have to find out for finding the diameter. 154 multiplied by 7 is equals to 22 r square. 1078 is equals to 22 r square. 1078 divided by 22 is equals to r square. 49 is equals to r square. Now here square r just में इधर आकर ये स्क्वायर रूट में हो जाएगा. Square root of 49 is equals to r. Square root of 49 is 7. Here it is. Okay. 7 centimeter. Centimeter? Yeah. No, 7 meter. 7 meter is equals to radius. Now we have to find out the diameter. So diameter is equals to radius multiplied by 2. Diameter is equals to radius is 7 multiplied by 2. Diameter is equals to 14 meter is the answer. And here 7 meter is the radius. So that's today's video. Hope you like it. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you. अगर जो मैंने पढ़ाया वो समझ में आया तो गुड. सो या थैंक यू.